Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's evolve. In today's video, we will learn about dynamic graphs. Dynamic graph is a very powerful tool for representing or explaining a data to someone. Over here, I have taken some of the defects generated in the production part, like for example I have taken short filling, over molding, warpage, shrink and some more defects, and I have distributed in the device. So what basically is, we have collected our daily basis rejection data on 1st of August, 2nd of August. Like this I have taken data of complete 1 month. This is the random values data. So what we will be doing is, we will be plotting a graph against this data using pivot table so that our graph can be dynamic. So let's start. So at very first what we need to do is, we need to select our table. Then from our insert menu we have to select pivot table. As we select the pivot table, it will ask you select a table or the range, so which we have already selected. As you can see, the table is already selected. So all we want it to be in a new sheet, not in the existing worksheet. So we have to do is just OK. So here we are in the pivot table now. So what we'll be doing, at very first we want dates to be written in rows, and whereas our data to be written in values. So let's just add all our defects in the column section. So now we are done with this. We have aligned our data, and as you can see, pivot automatically shows us the auto sum. So what we will be doing is, we will be selecting our data, and as we make graphs we will go in insert and go for our charts. This is a very good option in Excel 2019, the recommended charts option. It analyzes your data and shows you the recommended charts only. Or there is another way, you can click here and see all the charts, whichever you want to select you can select from there. So we will be going for charts. I want a column chart which is stacked column chart. Okay, so as we can see, our chart is ready. The graph is here. Sorry, yes, the chart is here. As you can see, the data is being displayed over here. Okay, let me just take it to another place so that the visibility will increase. So as you can see, if we generally plot the data will be visible in this way, that on 1st of August these many defects was available. But if I say that I just want to see the data of first week, so now what you will do, we have to make the graphs again. But in this dynamic graph, all we need to do is filter from here. We need to unselect all, and we need to select first week data. Okay, now it will show you only data of 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7th of August, and all other things which you used to do in graphs, like adding data labels, adding your graph chart, chart name, that all we can do over here also. And we can also filter our data in graph only. We need not to make a new graph for every time we need the data to be segregated. So I hope this will help you in your daily routine work. If you have any doubts related to this, you can comment, you can note it down in the comment section below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe the video.